to a new lesson on browsing, searching, filtering, and manage data, information, and digital content. Can you imagine yourself being in the middle of an infinite ocean of data and information where you can't understand a thing? Nowadays, with the ever-growing digital universe, it is difficult not to feel swamped by the vast quantities of content. However, it is not necessary to worry. It is our turn today to be your wishful guides as we sail you through the information overloaded waters. We will get into how to define your information requirements, manage information overload, and develop the appropriate strategies for being a good searcher. Now, please fasten your seatbelts and let's jump into this big learning space. By the end of our journey, you will not only be infused with the knowledge and tools, but also equipped with the ability to obtain the required information, beat the information overload, and battle the search boredom with the latest techniques. Let's start by discussing personal information needs and the function of search as a tool to solve simple problems, taking into account how they depend on each other and adapt to the rapidly changing digital world. Firstly, let's understand the concept of information needs. Information needs refer to the desire to obtain information in various formats and types to fulfill a particular requirement or solve a problem. Moving on, information overload is one of the major problems in our digital era, because the amount of data available is so large that most of the time we find it difficult to understand it and to use the material that is vital for us. AI-based search, on the contrary, supplies a solution to this issue using intelligent algorithms to filter data, comprehend context, and bring forth accurate, meaningful results, thus reducing the time required for information discovery. The question of privacy in search engines is significant in the present digital world. It highlights the process of personal data collection, storage, and use by search engines. One such search engine that prioritizes user privacy is DuckDuckGo. Unlike many other search engines, DuckDuckGo does not track user activity, offering a significant level of privacy to its users. Meanwhile, personalized search is the method of tailoring the search results to specific users depending on their interests, search history, location, and other criteria. This can be a great improvement as well as a challenge to the user experience. While it can lead to more relevant search results, the problem of data privacy and control is raised. Search engines vary considerably in their features and functionality when selecting one to use for specific informational needs rather than popularity or aesthetic appeal. Different engines may produce differing results for similar queries. Users looking to maximize search outcomes can leverage the advanced features of most search engines, particularly AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Crafting precise queries becomes ever more critical when dealing with virtual assistants such as these. Now let's explore the fascinating dynamics of personal information demands and how they influence the ways in which we solve both routine and non-routine problems using search tactics. Today's digital world requires powerful search systems backed by advanced technology to allow us to quickly access information efficiently. Information retrieval identifies documents relevant to specific queries for greater efficiency in searches planned ahead. When planning your search, you should ask yourself some basic information search questions. What sources are desired? Where to look? How to search? What is the search time? The answers to these questions will help you decide what sources of information are needed and will allow you to choose the right information search tools. Universal search engines provide many resources, but their results often mix high-quality scientific content with irrelevant material, making searching less efficient. General search engines don't always effectively comb through databases as efficiently as specialized engines do, such as Google Scholars. Search results obtained from scientific information retrieval tools are more reliable than those found in universal information retrieval systems. Remember, the choice between a universal and a specialized search engine will depend on the specific needs of your research. When formulating a query, it is advisable to use the Boolean search operator and use it to combine meaningful query words. The Boolean search operators can be and, or, not. The Boolean search operator combines keywords to narrow or broaden your search. The dynamic technique known as adaptive search optimization improves database speed by storing prior search results and intelligently switching between search algorithms based on dataset properties. It presents a viable path for enhancing search functions in practical applications with various data distributions. For example, adaptive search on an e-commerce platform could dynamically adjust the search algorithm based on user behavior, showing products that are more likely to be purchased by the user. Finally, understanding and identifying information needs is crucial for effective searching, whether for personal use or to assist others. Mastering search strategies and adapting to evolving technologies can significantly enhance the quality and efficiency of information retrieval. A systematic approach to searching involves identifying information needs, selecting relevant keywords, using effective search strategies, and evaluating the quality of search results. This methodical process enhances the efficiency and accuracy of information retrieval. For example, a systematic approach to searching for a new recipe might involve identifying the need for a vegetarian dish, selecting keywords like vegetarian, easy, and dinner, using a search engine to find recipes, and then evaluating the results based on user reviews and preparation time. Evaluating internet resources involves a critical examination of the source's credibility, accuracy, relevance, and timeliness to ensure the information is trustworthy and valuable for our needs. Let's say you're researching the effects of climate change for a school project, and you come across a website with an article titled Climate Change and Its Impact. To evaluate this resource, you would do a systematic evaluation to ensure that the information you use is reliable and adds value to your research. Natural language words are mostly used in search engines. However, they are not always suitable for subject searches, as they may have multiple meanings or have synonyms that the user does not think of. For example, consider the term Mercury. Without context, a search engine might not know whether you're referring to the planet, the metal, the automobile brand, or the figure from mythology. By using a systematic approach and adding relevant keywords to your search, such as Mercury planet facts or Mercury automobile history, you can help the search engine understand your intent and provide more precise results. This is a practical application of enhancing search precision with semantic search. What should I do if another person asks to find the information they need? A 5-filter user survey is suggested. First, what? Identify the topic or terminology. Second, why? Understand the purpose of the information needed. Third, who? Consider the user's profession, task, education, and skills. Fourth, how? Learn about the user's previous search methods and sources. Fifth, what answer? Determine the preferred format of the information: book, data, articles. Finally, handling search results. Sorting, selection, and saving involves organizing search results based on relevance or other criteria, choosing the most pertinent results, and preserving them for future use. For example, when researching a topic like climate change, one might sort articles by date, select those from reputable sources, and save them in a reference management program for easy access later. Today's exploration delved into the complexities of browsing, searching, filtering, and managed data in the digital age. We began by understanding personal information needs, addressing information overload, and enhancing search precision using AI and privacy-focused tools. Our journey highlighted the necessity of systematic search strategies and the critical importance of evaluating digital resources to ensure security and efficiency in our searches. As we conclude, these insights equip us to manage digital data more effectively, ensuring adept navigation and informed interactions in our expanding digital world. I hope this information serves you well in your future endeavors, and I wish you all the best in your academic and professional journeys.